Okay guys, vertically and crosswise with a 3 by 3 multiplication. Look over here to the right and you can see that I have 5 steps to completing this problem. The first step will be here. Second step is crosswise. Third step is vertically and crosswise. Fourth step is cross. And the fifth step is another vertical. That's where we get the name vertically and crosswise for this. So, this problem we're going to do, step number 1, it's just going to be 5 times 0. That gives us 0. Next step will be 2 times 0 plus 5 times 4. Well, we know 2 times 0 is 0. 0 plus 5 times 4 is 20. 0 plus 20, that gives us 20. Next we're going to do 3 times 0 plus 5 times 6 plus 2 times 4. That's step number 3 over here. It's going to be this type of pattern here where it's going to go all the way across and then straight down the middle. So to do that, we're going to do 3 times 0 is 0. We can kind of ignore that. 6 times 5 is 30. 6 times 5 is 30, plus 2 times 4 is 8. So 30 plus 8, that's going to give us 38. Next step, if you look over here, number 4, it's going to be another crosswise. That's going to be 3 times 4 plus 2 times 6. So 3 times 4 gives us 12. 2 times 6 gives us 12. 12 and 12, that's going to be 24. And then the final step is step number 5, where it's just another vertical. So that's just going to be straight down this side here. 3 times 6. 3 times 6, we know that's 18. Now we do the carries like I said in the earlier video. We do them like this. Starting from the right, we got a 0, a 0. Well, 8 and 2, that's going to give us 10. So we're going to write another 0 and carry a 1 here. Now that gives us 4 and 3 and 1. That's 4 and 4. That's going to give us an 8. And then 18 and 2. That gives us 20. So here's our final answer. 208,000. 208,000. Okay, if you guys would like to see another one, maybe a quick and easy one, we could just do something simple. Okay, let's see if we could do this together here. 2 times 5, that's going to give us 10. Step number 2, remember we're going to do crosswise here. 3 times 5 plus 2 times 1. So it's 15 plus 2, that's 17. Next step, we're going to do 1 times 5 plus 4 times 3, or excuse me, 1 times 5 plus 2 times 4 plus 3 times 1. So here we got 5 plus 8, that's 13, plus 3, that's 16. Next step, it's going to be this one here. That's 4 times 3 plus 1 times 1. Well, 4 times 3 is 12, 1 times 1 is 1. So 12 plus 1, that gives us 13. And then last step, straight down the side here. 1 times 4, that's 4. Here's how we do our carries. Starting at the right, we got a 0, an 8, a 7, a 4, and a 5. We got those by doing the carries. So you guys could see how these shortcuts, this vertically and crosswise, you can see how it really speeds up your multiplication problems. Okay, thanks for watching.